The steeds. Day 3 of golden kiwis around the world. Well, this is some shit. Lovely leg, sir.
Don't
Roll forwards in formation. I'll just wait here. Surprise! Schnell, motherfucker! We did it! We're free! Let's get the fuck out of Dodge. So long, suckers! Down, down, honk, 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 frog. Enough dancing, onward! This guy, that's a chump. Piazza. It's just as well we stopped. Got a flat tyre. It's only flat at the bottom, but it's still a bit of a problem, isn't it? I have the wrong size in the tube, but I kind of want to put the right size in the tube in. So I'm going to go and get some air from somewhere. Let's see where we get to. Well, definitely got a puncture. Just a little bit of air coming out the spoke there. Spoken for. So we're going to hit her with as much PSI as she's going to handle and get to a workshop round the corner. See if they're going to be helpful. All right, let's ride like hell to the Service Centre and hope they don't just sell bikes. Let's hope they actually know how to work on one. Otherwise, I'll give them a free lesson. And we'll practice the German for my bike is later, shall we? All right. Let's see if the boys can do me a solid. Pascal didn't have the right tube, but luckily I carry a spare, even if it was the wrong size that I bought in the Belgian-French border. And the dude was kind enough to not let me change it in his garage, basically fucking change it for me, like a hero. Laughed when I put the gloves on. I was like, what is this, you pansy ass? Gave me spare cable ties if I used my last one for something else. And a pair of foot plates for me to minimise the vibrations. What a freaking man. And he justified it all by saying he's going on a trip to Poland and wanted to pass on the karma for his trip. Which is just sound. Like, what a man. What an absolute man. Love it. Like, I'm stoked with my new foot legs. I can already tell they're doing great things. spot. Good first twisty ride, huh?
Indeed. Bit better than Newlands Corner.
Bit better than Newlands Corner. First biker cafe. Can't believe it took so long. Oh, we've got a smudge. A smudge on the lens.
Want some spray?
Yeah, go on in. Go on in. Whoa.
Still going.
Give her a... Right there. Right in the... Oh!